Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया. I am JVS Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, today we are going to discuss the topic that is population attributes and population growth. And this comes under the subject ecology and evolution. So let's start. So what is population? It refers to organisms living in a group in a well-defined geographical area, sharing or competing for similar resources and potentially interbreeding. The population ecology links ecology to population genetics and the evolution. So what are the characteristics of a population? First is the birth rate. So this is the number of births per thousand individuals in a population. Next is the rate. So number of death per thousand individuals in a population. Then sex ratio, so the ratio of males to females in a population. Then population size or density. So the age pyramids of human population. So age pyramids refers to the structure representing the age distribution of a population. The shape of the pyramids reflect the growth status of the population, so whether it is growing, stable or declining. Population density, what is it? So number of individuals of a species per unit area. So it is designated as represented as the capital N. So calculation of population density. So for fish, the number of fish caught per trap. And for tiger, based on the pug mass and fecal pellets. For population growth, let's talk about the population growth in detail. So the size of the population, which keeps on changing depending on various factors, like the population growth depends on the food availability, predation, pressure, and weather condition over a period of time. So the fluctuation in the population density is due to the changes in four basic processes: the natality, mortality, immigration, and immigration. So natality is the number of births during a given period in a population that are added to the initial population density. Mortality is the number of deaths in a population during a given time period. Immigration is the number of population of the same species that have come into the habitat from elsewhere during the specific time period. And emigration is number of individuals of the population who left the habitat and gone elsewhere during the time period under consideration. So the representing population density is calculated by the showing formula. Here NT is the population density at a time, and T plus 1 is the population density at time T plus 1. P is the birth rate, I is the immigration, D is equal to death rate, and E means immigration. So population growth models, see growth models can be used to predict the growth of a population with the time. So there are two types of growth models are there: exponential growth and the logistic growth. So the exponential growth is considered where the all the resources are available, and organisms have no pressure and they can grow by their full potential. And the logistic growth is with the influence of some pressure like the competition, food resources or other limitations. So thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this tutorial session. And if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.